today by highlighting our current hazard across central North Carolina. We have an increased fire danger statement in effect through 7 p.m. this evening. This is a result of wind gusts expected to be in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range with relative humidities in the 20 to 30% range, combined with the prolonged dryness that we've had. So with this statement in effect, outdoor burning is strongly discouraged, and please be extra mindful if you do need to burn anything and how you discard of flammable materials. Going into the forecast for the week ahead, today it'll be dry. We'll have a bit of a dry reinforcing cold front come through this evening, and lows tonight will again be chilly. We're expecting lows ranging from the low to mid 30s across the northern Piedmont to low to mid 40s across the southern coastal plain and sandhills. We could see some frost with that in mind, as a few areas did have frost this morning. As we get into the day Friday, high pressure builds in, and that will really be the case for the next few days. Dry, high pressure in place, generally cooler temperatures than we've seen the last couple of days, with highs in the low to mid, maybe upper 60s, and lows in the mid 30s to maybe low 40s. Our next chance for rain will be late Sunday night into Monday. We have still that high pressure ridging across the area at the surface, but we do have a disturbance aloft that could bring with it some precipitation chances. And taking a look at our outlook for forecast rainfall, you can see the next few days are dry, but then we do see that signal for some rain moving in, starting maybe Sunday, but it's more so late Sunday night, and then into Monday and through the middle of next week. Looks like anywhere from maybe 1/10 of an inch to upwards of perhaps 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in some places possible. Speaking of how dry it's been, this is a look at our drought update that came out this morning. There was some expansion of the D2, that orange color there, westward across the coastal plain and even into parts of Piedmont. And then the D1 area also expanded westward across the Piedmont. No excessive rainfall is expected in the next few days. However, on the day 5 outlook, there is a bit of marginal risk that does clip the far southern and central coastal plain. So there could be a potential for some excessive rainfall as we get into that system early next week, but there's still a bit of uncertainty with that. With no rain expected the next few days, there's no chance for severe thunderstorms. We do have one tropical system out in the Atlantic. That would be Melissa, which is currently a tropical storm, forecast to become a hurricane as it moves towards Jamaica and Haiti in the next few days. But that is not expected to be a threat to central North Carolina whatsoever, and should remain over the Caribbean for at least the next 7 days or so. Taking a look at the temperature and precipitation out beyond the 7-day period, looks like we've got 40 to 50% chance of below normal temperatures, and 33 to about 50% chance of perhaps some above normal precipitation. So we could use that given the drought graphic I just showed. I think everybody would welcome a bit of rainfall these days. Taking a look at the graphical HWO, hazardous weather outlook, you can see that today the fire weather concern is highlighted as significant given the conditions that we're expecting. Also, you can see there that the frost freeze threat is highlighted there for the next couple of nights. And that's to do with the lows in the low to mid 30s that we're expecting primarily across the northern Piedmont and the usual cool spots elsewhere. And just to recap, high pressure is really going to dominate the story for the next several days. And the next chance for any sort of rainfall is going to be Sunday night into Monday, with unsettled weather potentially through the middle of next week. Hazards include the increased fire danger that we have in effect today, and then the frost potential for the next couple of nights, most significantly across the northern Piedmont.